Here is the easiest fried apple recipe, no sugar added. We're going to take 2 tablespoonfuls of butter, melt this. I have one huge apple that I have peeled and cored, and I'm going to put this into the butter once it's melted. Okay, we have put our apples into that melted butter, and we're going to cook the apples until they just begin to turn a little tender. Okay, now I have stirred these routinely to keep them turned, and as you can see, they're beginning to brown just a little bit. And now I'm going to take my heavy cream, and I'm going to pour just enough into this pan to where that it comes up and will cover those apples, and I'm going to let that boil. Have you ever had boiled cream before? Surprisingly, it's really sweet and it's good. And I'm going to cover these, or cover them. I'm going to stir them a little bit into the cream, and they will begin to get really tender in that cream. Now once the cream gets cooked down, it will get sticky and it will stick to the sides of the apples. Okay, now you can see where it's cooked down, and see it's just like a thick gravy that's in there and it's coating those. Now you can eat it like this and it's really good, but I happen to have some of these Trader Joe's maple syrup bits, and I'm going to take just probably about a teaspoonful and put in there, because I do not want the apples really sweet. Gonna let those melt, and then I'm just gonna serve these up in a bowl. Now you can put these with all kinds of ice cream if you want to put ice cream on it. You can put these on pancakes, but we're gonna eat them just like this. Enjoy.